Hi guys, my name is Nancy and this is my 9 years old daughter.
Myra.
We live in Edison, New Jersey. We recently had a wonderful family vacation. It was a 3-day vacation at Martha's Vineyards and we wanted to share our experience with you so that you can plan your next vacation to this beautiful island. Martha's Vineyard is a beautiful island in Massachusetts located south of Cape Cod. Well, let me tell you, the island is not accessible by road. So what it means is you can either take a ferry to the island or you can take a plane. We took a ferry to the island. We drove 200 miles from New Jersey to a place called Plymouth in Massachusetts. There's a terminal, Woodhull Terminal, and we took a Steamship Authority ferry from that place to Martha's Vineyard. It's a 45 minutes nice ride from Woodhull Terminal to Martha's Vineyard Island. Now let me tell you one thing, you can carry your car in the ferry. They do allow cars with an additional amount of $150, but there are a couple of things. One, you have to make reservation for your car well in advance and it's really difficult to get that. The second, if you don't want to take your car, you can just go to the ticket window and buy the ticket and it's very nominal. There is an extra charge for bikes. We did carry our bikes. We carried 3 bikes along with a beach wagon to carry some additional stuff in that ferry. We visited Martha's Vineyard on 4th of July weekend. We reached the island at around 2 p.m. Since we had a lot of luggage, we waited for the local bus to come to the terminal. We took the bus. It was pretty reasonable, $2 per person, and there we go. We just the bus took 10 minutes to reach to the campground. And the campground, oh my god, that's the only campground on the island and it's really beautiful, very well maintained. I highly recommend, since it was a 4th of July weekend, so they did have some specials for the evening. And about the campground, I will ask Myra to explain.
In the campground, they had some specials. We came a little late, so we couldn't do all the specials, but some of the specials that we did get to do was the beanbag toss. They had a big field and they had a beanbag toss game where you could toss the beanbag, and it's a pretty fun family game. And since they have a big field, they also have a soccer net, so you can play soccer with all the other kids with the soccer net. And then you can also play football because of the big field, and all 3 games.
Basketball?
Yeah, there's basketball around the corner, so you can also play basketball. And then they have live music around the night, and we also got this ice cream. It was raining, but luckily it was in the shed. And their fireplace, it was really good. It kept us warm, and also the fire started changing color, so that was pretty fun to see. They also had a wonderful park. In the park, there was a boat made out of wood, and you can get on it. It's kind of like a pirate ship shaped, and you feel like a pirate when you're on it. There's also just a regular park right in the side. And the band, it was really good. They had some live music. They played these good musics, these countryside musics. And I think it was one of the best bands in Martha's Vineyard.
was really great. We really had a good time. So now we decided to do some grocery to make some dinner, and there were two options. So either there was a local store, and there is a Stop and Shop as well. And both local store and the Stop and Shop were 1.5 miles away from the campground. We took our bikes and we thought, let's visit the local store. But I want to give a piece of advice here. Vineyard Haven is a dry town. So what it means is you cannot get liquor anywhere. So my advice would be to go to Stop and Shop, because you have a better chance of getting liquor at Stop and Shop. Here's few facts or fun facts about Martha's Vineyards. In spite of the name, there are actually no vineyards on the island. And you will not be surprised if you spot Barack Obama or Bill Clinton. Many of the US presidents and other celebrities, they do vacation on this island. Now this island comprises of 6 small towns. Since we had only one day in hand, one day we spent on the campground, so we thought we will target 3 of the most popular towns. And Myra will talk about these 3 towns.
Here is Vineyard Haven, this orange yellow one right here. This is where we had our campsite. It is known for its culture and art. Then here from this bike trail we came to this town right here in this light pink color, and it's called Oak Bluff. It is known as the party town because it is kind of like a party town. And then from this long, beautiful scenic trail here, there's also this shark bridge right in the middle when you reach to Edgartown, right here, where people jump off. And Edgartown is also known as a Porsche town, which means rich, like a rich town. So you can find a lot of boutique stores to buy things.
The first stop was at Island Alpaca Company, where we met very cute alpacas.
The alpacas were awesome. They were a lot like llamas, except they have a little difference. They're called alpacas, first of all, and second of all, they have a lot of hair in their neck and it's very fluffy. We saw a lot of alpacas, and some were even pregnant with some babies, which could come anytime soon.
Yeah, we were not that lucky to see the baby coming out, but it's a must-visit place, Island Alpaca Company. And it was around 1.5 mile away from the campground. The second stop was gingerbread cottages, and believe me, there are 330 gingerbread cottages in Oak Bluffs. It was a long bike ride from Island Alpaca to these gingerbread cottages, but again, it is worth it. We really enjoyed the ride, and these cottages were very pretty.
A lot of them look like fairy tales from like Cinderella or Snow White or even Jasmine and all these other fairy tale things. And there was the most special house that I liked was this pink one. It was very pretty. It looked very royal, and a lot of people were taking photos outside it. So we even thought to take a photo, and I think that was the best house.
Then we went to the Flying Horses Carousel. This carousel was built in 1857, or maybe 1876, sorry about that. But the carousel was amazing, the best carousel I've ever had.
The difference about the carousel from all the others were most carousels just go and round, slowly up and down. But in this, you should especially sit right next to, like, in the middle in those small ponies, in the corner this side instead of that side in the outer in the big ponies, because in the small ponies you get a better chance of collecting these coins. I think in the olden days they used to collect these rings that these people used to like, there's this area where you had to collect rings, and then you got to put it in your hoop of in your horse, and whoever collects the last ring will get a prize. So keep on collecting the rings and make sure you sit in the inner side instead of the outer.
We then picked a souvenir from the Circuit Avenue. That road, Circuit Avenue, is really famous for the souvenirs. We also decided to pick up a souvenir, which is here, as you see, a fridge, a refrigerator magnet. And one more thing which we did is we ate lobster ice cream at Bill and Ben's. I think it is Ben and Bill's. And you heard it right, it's a lobster ice cream. How did it taste?
Well, the lobster ice cream, they even said it tasted a lot like lobster, frozen lobster, and butter, vanilla-ish butter. It was, I wouldn't say the best thing in my experience, but I think it was fine. The lobster, since it was my first time eating lobster, I don't know, I just didn't like it much. But you should definitely try it if you like lobster. Maybe you might just develop a taste.
Just try it. It's Ben and Bill's. They serve the lobster ice cream. Then we had a very nice lunch at Nancy's restaurant. It's a wonderful restaurant, but mind it, you definitely have to make your reservation in advance, and at least get your name on their waiting list, because the wait time is always 30 minutes or more. We were lucky, we were able to get the table faster, but it's worth the wait. Dipping our feet in the water, enjoying some sun and sand at Oak Bluffs, we started our ride to Edgartown, which was a 7 miles ride, but one of the best bike ride we have ever done. It was so scenic. There was ocean on the one side, there was backwaters on the other side, and then there is a greenery. We really enjoyed it.
Edgartown, we saw the big bridge. The big bridge, I would say it was one of the best things, because in the big bridge, though it is illegal, but we still tried it. The big bridge is where the Jaws movie was shooted, and a lot of people were jumping from it, and it is illegal, but you should try it because it is very fun. My dad did it, and he seemed to have liked it because he wanted to do it again. Jaws was shot on that big bridge, so you should definitely make a stop at Big Bridge. Then we continued our bike ride and we reached a beautiful town, Edgartown. It had a lot of boutique shops. We had some ice creams, we did some shopping, and then we made our way
to see the Edgartown Lighthouse. And that's when we thought of calling it a day, and we took the bus. You can carry your bikes in the bus. Took the bus back to the campground. It took around 20 minutes, and we were there back at the campground to have some Indian dinner to be cooked on our campfire, some egg masala and rice.
One thing about Edgartown, don't forget to go to the Black Dog Boutique store because they have the best clothing and caps. My cap from Black Dog and my mom's sweatshirt.
Yeah, you should definitely do some shopping from those boutique stores. So that's about it. And we also actually decided that the next morning, when we have to check out from the campground, we will have our breakfast at the Black Dog Tavern, and we did go there. It was around 2 miles from the campground, but it is again worth it. They serve very good coffee, some freshly baked breads, and some very good sandwiches. We had a nice breakfast. Time to say goodbye to Martha's Vineyard. We really had good time, and I'm sure you will also have. So enjoy your time at Martha's, and do let us know if you like this video. Like and subscribe to our channel. Hi,
And don't
I'm
forget
Nancy.
to comment below. Bye.